In this video, we will focus on side one of the articulation cards, or the top half of a card. The purpose of side one is to give you basic information to help you navigate through an activity. The first thing that you will see at the top of the card is the name of the activity. Right under the activity name is a suggestion of how to present the activity to the children. It's very important to introduce an activity in an interesting way in order to prepare the children for the activity and also to get them excited about participating in it. Next, you will see materials and setup. Here you will be given specific instructions on how to prepare the activity or the room for optimum results. We can assure you that all of our activities take a minimal amount of time. Every setup will be fast and easy. Next are the instructions on how to use either the position articulation card or the high frequency articulation card. This reference information is available on every card to be used as needed. After the articulation instructions, you will find information on how to use the card with children working on language skills. Even though this is an articulation card, we have included simple phrases and sentences to use with children who have language delays so that they can participate in the same activity. The articulation students use target sentences, while children working on language skills use simple phrases and sentences outlined specifically for them. On side one of the card, we also explain how a child can move to a new level as they progress in their language skills. The last area on the card is the Make It Real section. We added this section to our card because we know that real objects and everyday materials enrich an activity and take it to a higher level. So we give suggestions in this section on how to replace pictures for real objects if possible. So that explains side one of the articulation cards. Please take a moment to watch the next two videos on the position articulation card and the high frequency articulation card for very important information on how to use both of these cards to get the best results. So